Oh, hello, guys. Welcome back with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku in this edition of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, the yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, October the 16th, 2021. Because on Sunday, we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the newspaper of the rest of the additional with puzzles of the yesterday's newspaper. I've already solved the letter Sudoku, so now it's time for the Two Stars Sudoku, and then the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. But first, we will solve this baby, and this Two Stars Sudoku will be number 3549. Alright, 3549. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I've already counted 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, and for Two Stars Sudoku, a puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 7? 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In the middle row, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 here. So the 7 could be here, could be there. Well, another 7 we have here in the second column, so no 7 in that box. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Now I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. How about the number? The number. 8. Need the 8 here. 8. Yeah. How about yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, and look, we have 4 and a 5 in the first row. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. The 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 4 and a 5. So one digit left in this big square for number 2. So we have a 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And again, I cannot continue with the 2. Alright. How about these two numbers in the middle column? 1, 2. The 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then How about one, I'm thinking six. Yeah. 2, 1. We have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the first row, so the row between. The second row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, we have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. So we have 8 and 8 in this row and 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. There's an 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 5 goes there. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Alright. 6, 6. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about, well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in the middle row. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. The 2 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Let me mark those 2 numbers. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Okay. Alright. How about okay. Okay. 4. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 4. How about this missing number? In the middle row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay, so we have 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. All right, the 9. The 9. Okay, 9. Then. How about 3 missing numbers. Wait. Wait a moment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Need to wait. Okay. How about all right. Come on. It's taking too long. We have a pair. No, we don't have a pair. 2. How about the 6? We have a pair. Yeah. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. Same for the 7. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places for the 7 could be here, could be there. Together with a pair. 7 and 6, so 1 digit left in the last column. Oh, sorry, not for the last column, for this column. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Oh, made a mistake. Not. We already have a 6 here. Oh, almost made a mistake. We already have a 6 in this column. Okay. Stupid. Yeah, I'm missing the 9. We have a 9 in this column, last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, let me mark those. Means 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Then. How about the 7 in this row? 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7. Should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. I see here 1, 2, and a 6. 1, 2, and the 6. 1, 2, and a 6. 1, 2, and a 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 1. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box will be a 1. And this box will be a 2. 1 number left in this row. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2. And this box should be a 6. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, we see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column, the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 4 and a 5. Well, we have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And a final 2 numbers in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 5 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Correct. 2 stars. Because my time limit 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. So you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic 1. Tectonic puzzle with 1 star. Alright, so see you later. Bye bye for now.